where money gets interesting.
Welcome! Today we're learning about IPOs. What exactly is an IPO? Initial public offering.
A private company, unlike a public one, does not offer its stock to the general public. This allows for more control internally. The company needs more money to expand. That's when the big decision is made. Careful! Let's go public. Next, investment banks come into the picture. They evaluate the company's value, and then the DRHP is filed with the regulator.
The IPO opens for a few days. The public applies for shares company and then waits for the allotment.
Then comes listing day. The company officially starts trading in the stock market.
Listing gain. Overpriced.
Understanding an IPO is easy. Choosing the right one? That's another class.